In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute microphone in voice mode in ChatGPT. Quick guide. Let's get started by opening ChatGPT. You can use the mobile app or the website in a browser. Once you're in, switch into voice mode. To do that, look for the headphones or voice icon. A quick tap activates voice mode, and you'll be ready to speak and listen hands-free. You'll know it's active when you see the voice interface on screen and the assistant is ready to listen. Now let's find the microphone control. On most phones and tablets, the mic icon sits along the bottom edge of the screen during a voice interaction. It usually looks like a small microphone inside a circle. Depending on your device and theme, it may be centered or slightly to one side. If your display is in landscape, it can shift, but it should still be clearly visible near the bottom. When you want to pause the conversation or prevent background noise from being picked up, mute the microphone with a single tap on that mic icon. After you tap, look for a visual change that confirms it's muted. The icon may turn red, show a slash through it, or appear dimmed or inactive. That visual cue is your confirmation that ChatGPT has stopped listening. This is helpful if you need a moment to think, you're around sensitive information, or there's sudden noise nearby that you don't want included in the session. While muted, the conversation remains open on your screen. You can take your time, review what's already been said, or prepare your next question without any new audio being captured. If you try to speak while muted, the assistant won't pick it up, so always check the icon if it seems like your voice isn't being heard. When you're ready to continue, unmute by tapping the same mic icon again. The icon should return to its normal active state, and the assistant will resume listening. Give it a second to recognize that you're back, then speak as usual. If your first word gets clipped, simply start your sentence again for a clean capture. That's all there is to it. Open ChatGPT, enter voice mode with the headphones or voice icon, spot the mic button near the bottom, tap once to mute when you need privacy or quiet, and tap again to unmute when you're ready to continue. With these quick controls, you can keep your voice sessions smooth, focused, and interruption-free.